DJ Finest.
Hey, this me with the high DM fashion.
Hi Chica, it's Luis Ian. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. And for today's video is a collaboration video with Zaful. So alam niyo na guys, I'm gonna do a try-on haul. I'm very excited. I really love almost all of it, guys. So thank you so much Zaful for making this video possible. And of course, meron din ang Zaful for you. You can actually use my code Luis and get an 18% off code. So if may magugustuhan kayo sa mga ipapakita ko, pwede nyo gamitin yung code kong Luis and of course, get an 18% off code. And alam niyo na guys, sobrang laking bagay ng mga discount na yan. Sobrang laking bagay kapag sale. I will be showing with you everything I got from Zaful, from trendy tops, bikinis, accessories, and even a bag. So if you want to see everything that I've got, just continue watching. Unahin ko na yung nakuha kong accessories kasi maunti lang naman yung accessories na nakuha ko. So for the very first item, I got a bag. So this is such a cute bag, guys. Like, I really love the color. This is light coffee. And it's called the Solid Portable Shoulder Bag, which is totoo. Sobrang portable ito. It's super duper cute. Hindi siya masyadong maliit. Tama lang siya for someone like me na mahilig lang talaga sa small bags. So ito yung material niya. At first, medyo nagulat ako kasi feeling ko parang gusot-gusot yung leather niya. But as I use it, mas naging okay siya kapag nilagyan siya ng laman and all of that. And I really love this color talaga. It suits my skin tone. So the prices are linked down below as well. So if you want to buy it for yourself, the links are down below. And sa loob naman guys, it's very spacious. Like actually you can put a wallet here, a power bank, your makeup. I was already able to use this and I was very surprised na ang daming pwedeng ilagay sa bag na to. And ayan, minimalist lang siya. So it's just plain and you can actually work this out with almost all outfits. So I just want to say to you guys na lahat ng package na na-receive ko, lahat ng clothes and accessories even, nakalagay sila sa ziplock na ganito, which may nakalagay na Zaful. So pinagsama-sama ko na lang sila lahat. Sinasabi ko lang para lang alam nyo na secured lahat ng mga package from Zaful. Lahat malinis. Actually, I was really surprised na may kasama pa siyang mga parang paper. Like this one. Ayan. And of course, all the items merong tags na Zaful. So for more accessories, I got this hoops. It's actually very big pala kasi nung nakita ko sa picture, kala ko parang ka-size lang nitong suot ko. But this is really bigger and mas makapal siya. But nagustuhan ko siya guys kasi nung sinuot ko siya, maganda naman pala siya and bagay siya sa almost mga classic na damit din. Just like the hoops that I have. And nakailang weeks na to sa akin and hindi pa naman siya natatarnish. So I guess that's a plus. And other than that, I really love na makapal siya. Like, it adds more of an accent. Like, mas maganda siyang style. Lalo na pag simple lang yung damit mo and gusto mong bumawi sa accessories, yung makapal na earrings katulad nito, very nice. Oh my God, nasira! Ang ganda pa naman ito kasi na-try ko na. Nahigit ko. Ayan, nasira ako. Ano ba yan? Okay, for the other accessories, I got these necklaces. Ayan, actually guys, magkasama talaga to dun sa package. Like, you can buy this both, pero napapaghiwalay silang necklace. So first is this famous shell necklace. Like, a lot of you, I know, have been seeing this on the internet or on bloggers because nakita ko to kay Ida Anduyan and I actually really liked it. It's very nice. So when I saw this on Zaful, I knew I had to get it. So ayan siya guys, sobrang haba niya. Pwede nyo siyang gawing choker or necklace na mas mahaba. So it's really up to you if you want to make it a choker or a long necklace. So of course, for the other one, meron naman tong gold accent and meron din siyang parang pearl dyan. And as you can see, na-tarnish na yung gold niya. I only wore this once. And as you know, I am acidic. So I think gawa yun nun. Sobrang bilis niyang ma-tarnish pero sobrang cute niya na sana. Kahit sa outfit ko, it's very nice. I actually wanna wear it right now kasi nata-tarnish na siya. So, ayan no, it's so cute. It's very dainty. It's very simple. And it can level up your outfit just like this one. Kanina masyadong plain. Ayan, magkasama silang dalawa. So, you can buy it together. So, pwede siyang layered necklace. Like, you can make it a choker. And then, there's this other necklace. Or you can wear it alone. So, this is called the 2 pieces faux pearl shell necklace set. So, kaya meron ditong pearl, tas yung kanina shell. So, for the first top that I got is this puff sleeve top. Ayan, long sleeve siya. Ay, hindi pala. Parang half lang. Kasi until dito lang siya. And alam niyo naman guys, na usong-uso yung mga gantong designs. And I actually really love it. Like, bagay siya sa personality ko. And what I love about this one is that you can actually work with this at formal events. Pwedeng casual, pwedeng formal. So, it's very versatile. So, this one I really like. So, I got this in the size small. And for the quality of its tela, it's actually nice. Hindi siya sobrang nipis and hindi din siya makapal. So, pwede siya sa weather natin. Although, syempre, dapat naka-air condition pa rin kasi mainit yung klaseng gantong sleeves. So, this is called the Zaful Square Collar Ruffled Milkmaid Top. So, it's square kasi yung kanyang lining dito is pa-square type. So, for the next item is this plain ribbed crop tank top. This is one of my favorites. It's just very plain and casual. You can work it out on an everyday outfit. So, this one is in the color mauve. It's kind of like a plum color. Super duper love the color. Wala pa akong ganitong damit. Ang pinaka gusto ko dito is yung fit niya sa akin. So, I got the size medium. So, usually kasi size small ako like from the previous top. But nung tinignan ko yung reviews, nakalagay doon na make sure to get a one size larger. So, buti na lang talaga guys, may mga reviews. So, for the next top, it's another ribbed crop top. But this is actually a cup crop cami top. So this one, I really love the color as well. Look at this color, guys. This is light green. Ayan. And ang ganda-ganda ng fit nito sa akin. I'm in the size small. Meron akong medium. And meron akong small. And guys, actually, right now, ganito yung kinakahiligan kong colors. Like, neutral colors from white, black, tapos beige, and then, of course, yung ganyan lang. I want to talk more about this one. So, for this one, nahirapan ako dun sa kanyang bra type. Kasi, may mga type ako ng bra na hindi parang kumasya sa kanya. Masyadong malaki yung bra ko. And maliit lang yung part dito. But good thing, you can still adjust. And then, workout ko naman siya. I partnered this up with my shell necklace and it really looked very nice. I really love how that outfit turned out. And then of course, I tried it first with the denim pants, pero ang pangit. So I tried wearing my cream pants and dun siya nagbagay plus my pearl necklace, which is very, very cute. Actually, isa siya sa pinaka-favorite outfits na ginawa ko for this haul. And bago ko pa makalimutan, syempre kasali rin yung suot natin for today. This is what you call the solid knitted halter crop top. And of course, if you have been following me on my Instagram, you know that I wore this for one of my auditions, yung Preview Click audition. And this clearly shows my personal style. I really love the basic colors, the neutral colors, so white. So the material of this one is knitted. I really love how this is stretchable as well kasi knitted top siya. And I actually got this in the size small. For the next top is this Zaful Ruffle Cuff Puff Sleeve Knot Tie Crop Blouse. Parang rap. Zaful Ruffle Cuff Puff Sleeve Knot Tie Crop Blouse. I really also like this. Kaya lang, one downside about this one is kapag nasa likod, medyo nakikita yung sa bra mo. Kasi tumataas to. But, ang pinaka gusto ko dito is yung kanyang ribbon type. So, kaya ko siya binili kasi I was really intrigued about that ribbon na itatay mo sa likodan. And of course, it's still a puff sleeve. It's very cute, very classic as well. I was actually torn between wearing this one and this one for this video, but I said this one is more comfortable and ang init sa panahon ngayon. And puff sleeves, medyo mainit. But yung tela nito guys, makapal siya. Like even though it's white, makapal siya, you don't have to wear a tube inside, and that's really a plus for me. And for the size, I got this in small. Pero actually malaki siya. for a small, malaki pa rin siya. Minsan may pagka-girly din ako, so I kinda like this as well. For the next top is actually my most worn top from this haul. It's because sobrang dali niya lang suotin. Like, suotin mo lang to and you're ready to go. And this is this floral top. Ito actually yung pinag-isipan ko if kukunin ko kasi printed siya. And minsan kasi kapag printed, nakakasawa yung damit. But this one, ilang beses ko na siya nasuot kasi susuotin mo lang to tapos pants and then you're ready to go. Diba? Sobrang dali lang. This one is what you call the Ditzy print tie shoulder flounce kami top. So, ang haba din. And this is in a size small and color black. And you can also wear this as a tube, which is my favorite. Kapag may pupuntahan akong event siguro, I'm gonna wear this as a tube. Pero if it's just a normal casual day, I'm gonna put on the strings right there and I'm gonna look so cute as well. And ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko pa dun sa print, maganda siya sa personal. Kasi minsan, maganda sa picture, pero pag sa personal, ang pangit nung print. Ito actually yung pinaka-talagang pinag-isipan ko if kukunin ko and I'm glad I did. Okay, for the next top is this white top. And as you can see, may tag pa siya. And this is actually the least top that I liked from this haul. It's very big for me. It's in the size medium. And it's actually more expensive than the Daisy top. So, I'm really sad about this one. When I actually got the package, nung nakita ko to, I was like, in-order ko ba yan? And then, yun nga, in-order ko nga siya. Pero sa picture, iba siya. Pero kapag suot mo na siya, nag-iiba naman. And tinatay ko lang yung ribbon dyan. Pero yun nga lang, masyado talaga siyang malaki sa akin. Like, pansin na pansin mo sa kanyang lapad. Ayan. Ayan o. Tapos garterized pa siya. Pero ang cute sana nito if tamang size. So I partnered this up with my shorts, my denim shorts, and this necklace. And it actually looked very cute. So pwede na rin. I can work this out. So this is called the Gingham Smock Back Tie Collar Cami Top. So Zaful yung totoo. Rapsong ba tong mga title ng mga damit nyo? Ang hahaba. So the last top that I'm gonna show you is this lace up knitted crop cami top. So this is actually very backless. So, puro strings lang talaga yung likod niya, guys. But I actually liked it. Ang mahirap lang dito, hindi ko siya kayang suotin ng mag-isa. Like, I had to ask help from my sister to tie this, yung sa likodan niya, kasi hindi ko kayang ilagay mag-isa. And then, yung in front naman, okay naman siya. Pero parang napansin ko lang na downside dito is that hindi niya hinahug yung body mo very nicely. Kasi siguro, knitted top siya. So, parang medyo maluwag. And, ang isa pang downside dito is that mahihirapan kayo when it comes to the bra. Kasi syempre makikita sa likod. So I had to wear nipple tapes. But overall, I still really love this. This is actually like a statement piece that I could wear like a super backless top. So finally, hopping onto the bikinis, I actually got 4 bikinis. And the first one that I want to show you is actually one of my favorites. So this is the animal print bikini. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is that bagay siya sa mga small boobs. So it's very nice and I really actually love the print. As I have told you, usually sa picture iba, pag sa personal iba yung print. This is the animal print underwire high leg bikini swimsuit. So I actually got all my bikinis in high leg bikini because I think that really gives out the shape of your body. So this is what you call the high leg bikini. Para siyang pa-triangle. Para siyang high waist pero kita pa rin yung chan mo. So feeling ko yung underwire yung nag-help to hug the boob part. Like ayan. So ito siguro yung mahirap dalhin for a travel kasi hindi mo siya natitiklop. Like, and isa pa, delikado kapag nasira na siya. Like, makakasakit to. So, make sure na alagaan nyo to if bibilhin nyo siya, guys. But overall, I really love it. It's very cute. So, of course, guys, kapag bumili kayong bikini sa Zaful, meron siyang sealed na ganito. Like, this is a hygiene protection. So, lahat ng bikinis na receive ko, meron ganito. So, for the size, I got small. So, a downside lang when it comes to buying bikinis in Zaful is that you cannot buy a different sizes for the bottom and for the top. It usually comes with both. So if you choose small, both are small. So for my next bikini is this bandeau top. I really love the color of this one. This is in the color pea green. And this is what you call the high cut rib bandeau bikini set. As I've said, high leg din siya. And ang medyo na-conscious lang ako about this one is that super liit nung panty niya. Like, ayan siya, oh. Sobrang nipis nung dito. But sobrang cute. Actually, to be honest, this is my favorite bikini out of all the bikinis that I got. It's because ang ganda nung top niya. Kasi ang ganda nung pagkaka-fit niya. Ganito siya sa likod. It's kind of backless. And then, at front, it's just that simple tube top. Alam niyo guys, I really had a hard time buying a swimwear na bandeau top lang. Like yung parang tube top like swimsuit. I really had a hard time kasi yung iba, ang pangit nung fit. Pero ito, nagulat ako. Like super duper happy na sobrang ganda nung fit. So for the next bikini, if you're following me on Instagram, nakita niyo na tong suot ko. So this is color black. And this is what you call the ribbed underwire smock balconette bikini swimsuit. And this is in the size small as well. So, ganyan yung tela niya, guys. Kaya I think that's why it's more expensive. And meron din siyang wire, katulad ng animal print. But the design is different. Like, meron din siyang wire dito na V. And ito yung pinakauna kong tinry kasi super nakita na ko and siya yung pinakamahal. So, nag-iisip ako bakit ito yung pinakamahal, diba? And it turned out pretty cute as well. Maganda rin siya, guys. Ang masasabi ko lang is mag-iingat lang kayo dito sa boobs part kasi parang medyo bumababa siya. Like, nagagalaw-galaw to. So, may tendency baka bumaba. And the panty you can wear. Hindi siya masyadong manipis katulad nung isa kanina. Ganito yung panty niya. Mas makapal siya. And of course, high leg pa rin. So, moving on to our last bikini and our last item for this haul is this white bikini. And this is what you call the Zafo Rib Tie Cutout Bandeau Bikini Swimsuit. This is in a size small. The first time I actually tried wearing this, I was really confused. Kasi ang laki ng foam niya. And when you wear it, it's like super kita yung foam. Pero siguro mali lang yung pagkakasuot ko. Pero na-try on ko na ulit siya. It turned out pretty cute. You can wear it like this. Or you can wear it as a bandeau top as well. So, very bare na yung back niya. Like, tali lang. And then, for the panty, it's another high leg bikini. And yung material nito, same like nung black. So, makapal yung tela niya. You really don't have to worry. So, that's it, chika, for this try-on haul. Again, if ever may nagustuhan kayo from the pieces that I showed you, the links are down below. And don't forget to use my code Louise to get an 18% off. Thanks for watching, chika. I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye! Love lots!